No stacked DIY box. Effect display after power on. This is a list of all the accessories included in the product. All accessory displays. The two connection pieces in the box are shipped randomly. Before assembly, measure the voltage of each cell to ensure the same value. Place the epoxy boards. Note that the bottom two pieces epoxy boards do not need to be taped. Place two pieces boards at the top and bottom. Put a piece of insulating cotton in the middle of the two pieces cells. Use M6 screws to lock the front baffle, leaving no gaps. Please use M4 black screws to fix both ends of these two boards. Place the connector. Be careful not to put it in the wrong position. Connect the acquisition cable. Connect the protection board, the battery cell, and the collection cable and fix them. Install the front panel connection posts, circuit breaker, and communication board. When you receive the No 1 connector, assemble it like this. When you receive the No 2 connector, assemble it like this. Connect the communication board to the protection board. Connect the positive and negative terminals to the protection board. After the connection is completed, cover the front panel and fix it with M4 screws. Install the power button and the display screen. The sunken hole is facing upwards, fix with M4 screws. The first startup requires connecting to the JK app for debugging. Click left pole 4 in the upper right corner to set the battery capacity, as shown in the figure. After setting, click the Advanced Settings drop-down menu. As shown in the picture, set the continued charge curve A to 150 and click OK. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on nrlibaba.com.